Hi guys, welcome to my new channel, Shaman, where we pierce the veil of the consciousness by telling a story, where we take things from the physical, bring it up to the spiritual, and then return it back to the physical in a different way of looking at things. A little bit about myself. I'm a recovered alcoholic and drug addict, 34 years clean and sober. I've been through my hell, 7 years on the streets as a derelict. I pretty much got kicked out of home, lived on the street, broke the law to support a habit, end up in jail, get released from jail, beg my mum to have me back. She'd let me back home on the condition I didn't drink or drug. I'd last around about 3 days. Then of course I'd be back on the street, drinking and drugging. I was one of those derelicts that as soon as I woke up, I drank until I dropped, and where I dropped, I slept. You know, it was about 3-4 times a week the police would pick me up and put me in the police cells for 4 hours. And I got into recovery, and I've restored a lot of broken souls since. In my whole 34 years I've been around doing this stuff. I've ran recovery workshops, I've worked one-on-one, I've done guest speaker talks, and I've spoken at conventions. And I believe that God has gifted me with the gift of showing people a different way at looking at their problems. I'm located in Adelaide, South Australia, Australia. Now, guys, if you like this, please at the end give us a thumbs up, subscribe. My only hope is that people get help. I know what it's like to be trapped in a mental cell with all your problems, and I see all the problems as the enemy trying to destroy us. So what I'm going to do is start off with a song, as I always do. I'm located on Facebook as well, where I do some other talks. These talks are going to be, a lot of analogies are going to be spoken about. Movie scenes that I see, spirituality in movie scenes. And yeah, so whatever comes to my conscience, I try my best to share it. I believe it comes from God. And this channel, platform, it's all up to you guys where it goes from here, as I do talks on my Facebook channel anyway. So I just thought about venturing out a little bit, expanding a little bit further on the internet, see what happens. So this used to be called Downtown, Adelaide. Like I was 8 years of age when I come here with my dad first time. Anyway, this is the heart of Adelaide city life, nightlife. So what I'll do is start off with a song.
People who have purpose and meaning in their life, they believe in one important thing deeply. I am here for a reason. Listen to me. I didn't say I am here for a season. I said I am here for a reason.
I'm here for a reason. I know my life's got meaning for sure. As long as I'm breathing, I know I'm here for a reason.
I know I'm here for a reason. I have purpose, my life's got meaning. I got goals, I got dreams to achieve, and I'm here for a reason, not just a season. You know, it took me a while to really see that, cause I had doubts in my mind keeping me back. I was blind and I really couldn't see that. I'm important and I feel that. I'm not worried about the challenges in front of me. I will never let the doubt get the best of me. I can work my way up out of anything. All the blacks are just building a better me. Better be better than yesterday is the recipe. I'ma let the negativity rest in peace. I'm here to do bigger things, yeah, better me. And that's building and leaving a legacy.
Keep on going, keep on growing, keep on showing up, always get back up for a reason. I know my life's got meaning for sure. As long as I'm breathing, I know I'm here for a reason. I'm here for a reason. I know my life's got meaning for sure. As long as I'm breathing, I know I'm here for a reason.
I must be here for a reason, because I've gone through the wars and the struggles, but I'm still here. Rest in peace to the ones that passed. I won't waste your chances, I move forward, no fear. I've been close to death with no defense, whole load of meds, seen hospital beds. I know what it's like when you can't hold your breath, lying there praying that your time ain't next. This is survival. The self-belief is so vital. When you're down on your knees saying, Lord, please, and then you get back up and you keep on fighting. My enemies keep firing. It's cool, I move fast like lightning. I'm here with intention, I'm here with direction. Here for a reason, here for a reason.
Just keep on going, keep on growing, keep on showing up, always get back up here for a reason. I know my life's got meaning for sure. As long as I'm breathing, I know I'm here for a reason. I'm here for a reason. I know my life's got meaning for sure. As long as I'm breathing, I know I'm here for a reason.
If you could believe at the deepest level of your soul that you belong here, if you could believe you have purpose here on earth, if you could believe there's a reason you exist on this planet, how would you show up every day? You show up with passion and intention. You would be on the hunt for that reason. You would be hunting down your goals and dreams, and you would not believe in limitations, because you know you are here for a reason, not a season.
Back again, guys. Remember, give us a thumbs up if you like the channel, and also subscribe. What I want to talk about is a bird's nest. And I'm pretty sure we've all walked out the backyard or the front yard and we've seen an egg that's fallen out of the nest, smashed on the ground, cracked open. You see the embryo of the little baby bird getting eaten by ants. And when I saw that, it got me thinking, you know, the way that God works with nature. And he knows when an egg is rotten. Now, the majority of the time, the mother bird will push that egg out of the nest because it's some sort of disability and knows it'd be a burden on the mother bird and a burden for the bird itself with that disability. So the mother bird pushes that egg out of the nest and gets rid of it once and for all. Saves herself the burden and saves the baby bird the burden. Now that's God working to tell that bird, mother bird, to throw that egg out of its nest. And like I said, it got me to thinking that our conscience is that nest. And we too have eggs within our consciousness. We got good eggs and we have bad eggs. And we hatch them. And when we hatch those good thoughts, we send them out into the world. And the sad thing is, we do the same with our bad thoughts as well. Those rotten thoughts, those deformed thoughts that we hatch within our own conscience, and then we release them into the world. And our good thoughts, they give us rewards. But our bad thoughts, they give us punishment. And what we need to do with those bad thoughts is throw them out of our consciousness. Let them hit the ground, crack open, and let the embryo show, and let the ants eat them, the embryo, and get rid of it. Because they disable us. And when we work with those thoughts, could you imagine if Mother Bird hatched one of those rotten eggs? So what would happen is, I'm pretty sure the cattle come along and devour it. Or it might have one wing So when it's time for the bird to learn to fly, it gets thrown out of the nest, but it can't fly because it's only got one wing. And of course it hits the ground, dies, or if it doesn't die, guess what? The cat comes along and devours it. So that's what happens with our thoughts, with our negative thoughts. When we hatch them and send them out, we get devoured. The cats come along and they fucking destroy us. I said I weren't going to swear, how's that? And they come and they destroy us, they devour us because we're disabled. We're deformed. And that's why we leave ourselves open for an attack by the cats. So we need to look at those thoughts, those rotten eggs, and look at them for what they really are, what they do to us, and get rid of them the same way God tells that mother bird to throw that egg out of the nest because it's going to be a burden. The same as our thoughts within our consciousness, which are so negative, they need to be thrown out of our consciousness. You know, and it's not just within our consciousness. If we look at our group of friends, family, whatever, that are all around us, and we look at them as our eggs, and we want to hatch them. We want good ones that we want to sit on and hatch. And we want to throw the bad ones out of the nest because they're going to be a burden. So we look at our friends, our group of friends. And we have a look at the ones we want to keep, the good ones. And then we want to look at the bad ones that we don't want to keep, and we need to get rid of them, throw them out of the nest and get rid of them. Not based on fears of loneliness and hold on to them, knowing that they're going to destroy us anyway. So in God's world, with his animal kingdom, he knows how to operate. He connects with those birds, mother birds, and tells those mother birds to get rid of those rotten eggs. As much as God tries to communicate with us in our conscience and say, right, this egg is rotten, get rid of it. This egg is rotten, get rid of it. And we need to listen to God and get rid of those rotten eggs. You know, look at all the eggs in your nest. Look at which ones are rotten. They're just going to be a burden on you. Waste of time trying to hatch rotten eggs, knowing it's just going to be a burden. So you get rid of them. Well, guys, That's segment 1. Like I said, these are just going to pop up anytime. I could drive to Melbourne and something might come to my conscience and I'll go live, or I'll record it and then put it up. So it's important to subscribe to the Shaman channel, and that way you won't miss out on any content. I'm thinking I might put a subscription fee of maybe $6.99 to gain access to some really good stuff, because I won't be putting all my stuff out there. My intentions are to have a legacy when I pass away to the next life, to leave something in this life, whether it's a Anthony Dunstan Foundation for the homelessness, or an Anthony Dunstan Foundation for the rehabilitation of alcoholics and drug addicts. All proceeds will be going to, all profits, the whole lot, will be going to the foundation with 3 signatures on it. I got a saying, it's a little poem I write, because I wrote a lot of poems as well, and it's basically, part of it goes, it's not my conscience, not my reward, goes to the unfortunate that need it more, a gift from God to show his love, to show you what comes from above, you know. So that's just roughly what it says. There's a couple of paragraphs to it, and that's what this is. My conscience is a gift from God, so it's not my reward. It goes to the unfortunate that will need it more. So I'm going to finish off with a song. I've got to pull over to get it happening. So again, guys, you know, all I want to do is help people, help them escape their mental torment. I know what it's like. I've been there as a derelict. It was pretty bad for me. I'm lucky to be alive, and the only reason I'm alive is because of God. Just give me a sec, guys. We'll get this song up and running. Again, guys, if you like the channel, please give us a thumbs up. Also, subscribe.
Are in life. If you don't feel blessed, you won't be blessed. You gotta know your worth before you can be worth anything.
All the days when not a thing went right. All the pain, all the sleepless nights. I'm not blessed because it all went right. I'm a warrior. I'm blessed because I got fight. When failure tried to take my mind, I wouldn't let failure take my life. I'm not blessed because it all went right. I'll never give up. I'm blessed because I got fight. Broken in pain, only battered and bruised, always the same day. Nothing new or unusual, seems like nights, all the sacrifices, the choice between heat and eating, they're having lights. All the knockdowns, snapbacks, and failed tries. They don't see the wounds and scars cause they're internalized. They think I'm less and think that everything went right. They just see the end results and think I'm alright because I always smile. But they ain't seen the grind. I work so hard that overtime is just normal time. When you lose it all and then still lose again, it builds a different kind of fight inside. It builds a different kind of drive, different kind of fight, different kind of fire, different kind of desire, a different kind of light. But I'm blessed because I've got fight. I wasn't handing nothing. The callus on my hand shows you I ain't bluffing. I'm like the time, you can't stop me for nothing. It's a marathon and I just keep on running. All the days when not a thing went right. All the pain, all the sleepless nights. I'm not blessed because it all went right. I'm a warrior. I'm blessed because I got fight. When life try to take my mind, I won't let anything take my mind. I'm not blessed because it all went right. I'll never give up. I'm blessed because I got fight.
That's my blessing. Not that I was handed my dreams, but that I had enough fight in me, that I had enough belief in me to go after my dream, that I had the courage to keep going, to push through the pain, to rise through the darkness, and to tell my story on the other side. My story. My blessed story.
All the days when not a thing went right. All the pain, all the sleepless nights. I'm not blessed because it all went right. I'm a warrior. I'm blessed because I got fight. When life try to take my mind, I won't let anything take my mind. I'm not blessed because it all went right. I'll never give up. I'm blessed because I got fight.
Okay guys, that brings us to the end of the first session. I hope there's many more to come, so it's up to you guys. If you like what I do, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and God bless you all. Take care.